America. Magandang hapon sa mga Inday. It's summer here in Michigan, USA. Mainit ngayon, Day. Ano si Bibi Kano? Oo. Nandiyan yung bata-batuta natin, Day. Palaging nagsasabi ng oo. So ngayon, Day, lalabas tayo mga Inday. Dadalhin ko kayo. Kasi, Day, kailangan natin ilan mo ito, Day. And then mag-weed whacker, Day. And then hanggang doon sa Day, kabilang bakod. Sa amin pa yan, Day. Imo yan, Day. And then sa lahat, sa buong bahay, Day, kailangan mag-weed whacker at saka imo yung yard. So today, it's something like general cleaning in outside mga Inday. And then buti na lang yung anak ko na panganay, wala siyang work today, so makakatulong. And then si Prince, of course, yung pangalawa ko, nagkuha ng si Bibi Kano. You blow, anak. You blow. The mama will blow for you, okay? Dali. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Done! No flowers anymore. Kukuha pa si Bibi Kano mga Inday. Tanawa, Day. Tiki. Ang taas na talaga ng aming Day, damo, Day. Tanawa, tingnan nyo ha. Tagahawak na ni Bibi Kano mga Inday yung damo, Day. Naghanap yan ng bulaklak, Day, at ibibigay niya sa akin. Tingnan yung buhok ni Bibi Kano, Day. Tara, tingnan nyo. Not nice. Asher, still more here, Asher. Here. Asher. Come here, Mama. Shilton, that's not nice anymore. Here, there is more here. Anak. Anong bataan ni? Kasabot. Bata. Here, more flowers. You get. Okay. No, not there. You get here. Like that. You blow. Ayaw niya, Day. Where you go? Uy, patay. Asher, come here na, Asher. Anak! Come here na, be. Yung bataan dyan, yung bataan ni. Bataan ni, Give Mama, be. Thank you. Be, Mama will blow again. Mama, you look here. Awa na, Day. Ayaw niya, Day. Namupo ragbulak, Day. Let's go na, Papa is there na. Tara na, we gonna ride car na, dali na. Come here, Mama. Asher. Come here na, Mama. Misis ang bata. Wa na, nangulikta na manigbulak, Day, oy. Not there, Asher. You hold here. Here. That one. Good job. Good job. Thank you. You go, Papa, na. We gonna ride. Dala mo. Tara, let's go na. It's okay. Just accept it. Tara, let's go, Papa, na. We gonna ride car na. Asher. Gayong bataan ni Day. Let's go, Papa. We gonna ride car na. Tara na. Babay na. You stay there. Bahala ka. Ayaw niya, Day. Bye-bye. We gonna ride car, Papa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Tara, Day. What you think, ano? My love, he don't want to go.
Heck no, man. He's in a field. He's in his favorite place right now. You're digging that, ain't you? You're gonna be so sad when I cut this grass today. It's gonna kill you.
Yeah, that's right, love. He will be sad. There is no flowers anymore. Asher, come here na. Let's go. Tara na. Papa's there in the back. Sige na. You go there na. Walk. Okay. Lagay ko kayo dyan, mga Inday. And then si Bibi Kano. Lagay natin
You are a handsome little guy, aren't you?
So handsome. So cute too.
So handsome, though. Look at
Dami
you.
na, Bi. Ito, away
Yeah,
na to.
he's got the flowers, love. Yeah, sure. You ready? Watch Daddy.
Papa.
Ready?
You go sit down here now. It's hot.
Hang on, I'll fix it. We got a thriving AC here. Ooh.
Car daw, Papa.
Oh, you're going in the car?
Car.
car.
Good job. Yes,
Mama,
I'm your
yes.
mama. Yes.
That's right, Asher. Car and Mama.
Mama, I'm your mama. Yeah. Even Mama, you are heavy, but Mama still carry you wherever we go.
That's because Mama loves you, Asher.
You. So
Listen
much.
to your Mama's teachings.
Yay! Ay, shush, ay, bata. Ay, teka na. Let's go na, mga inday. Punta na tayo sa harapan. Okay na yung si Bibi Kano dyan. Okay. Ay, mainit today, day. Parang Pilipinas yung weather today. I don't think how, you know, what is the weather today exactly? Like 80?
Well, it says 73 at the moment,
73.
love, but it might get up there.
May mga inday, let's go. Ready na kami na mag-asawa.
Many of those daughters, that's for sure. They'll never be satisfied. What's this? That was a beautiful M5 BMW.
Yeah, I like that one. That is 5-seater, yeah?
Yeah. 4 doors, 5-seater. That's the newer model, so about 700 horsepower out the door.
that
Once
is
you put
expensive,
stage 3 tuning on it with straight pipes, you'll be at about 1,050 horsepower on that car.
That is expensive because it's a new model. So
Oh my God, yes, that's got to be, even at that place there, it'll probably go for 80 grand.
See?
But that's still going to be, what, maybe $60,000 less than its actual value.
There's a lot of people love today, love here.
Yeah, it's the weather, it's Saturday, everybody's working on their yards.
There's a lot of flowers people outside. What?
That's all right, we'll push them all down. Well,
Why?
yeah,
You are
they'll
so,
get out of our way whether they want
you are
to
so
or not.
harsh,
I know.
harsh.
Yeah, we'll find Nana first. We're going to push her.
Oh, don't be like that. You are so harsh, so much harsh.
It's not ours.
You have a stone heart.
No. It's
No.
completely the. I don't like that. It's completely the opposite of that, love.
Okay.
But it's also a little bit mischievous.
Okay, let's go na mga inday. Nandito na tayo. Kukunin natin si Bibi Kano, day. Lagay ko muna yung cellphone dito sa bag ko.
Unlike yourself, I just don't need mine.
Okay. I'll get Asher. You don't get Asher, labi.
He's coming for you, Asher.
Yung asawa ko ang ano, day. Papakuha ko kay... Siya yung kukuha kay Bibi Kano pa.
Hey, bro, you're falling asleep back here.
Because he still have no sleep. It's a nap time. It's a nap time na already. Nandito tayo day, oh. The home depot. Ito yung malapit sa amin, day. Maraming tao today, day. Nagpapaganda kasi ng ano. Ayun, ang bata natin nandito na. Nagpapaganda yung key.
Get the key out of that pocket.
Okay, let's go na mga inday. lots of cars. Busy parking. Yan, daming tao deh. Yan, ang ganda deh. Oh. Pasok na tayo mga Inday. Nag-get card fashion.
You don't even have to clean you up, and you're still just the cutest thing in the world.
You orange siya love. There you go. Ready. Ito yung kailangan namin mga Inday, mga battery day. Yan daw. Mga battery. Kailangan yan yung battery namin kailangan. Bata natin. What are you looking, bata? What are you looking? What are you looking? Ang papa niya nagta. Super cute.
If he's saying sentences.
Yeah, that's right.
Man, they really change that stuff up, don't they?
Yeah, that's why we even had to get rid of like a lot of the displays. Like, people would just come and they cut them off.
Ah,
Unbelievable.
wow.
You don't have to live this way.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm looking at that, man. It's like you're trying to, like one of those puzzle games.
Right.
That's right. Yeah, that's right, Ashley. That's right, bata. What is that? Oh, ja. Yeah. Super cute, Tukatig.
Hey, we needed a what? A 20? Is that what you said?
12.
That 12, do they have 20s?
18.
Oh, they have 18, love.
I want some of the biggest batteries we can find.
Day, nandito tayo sa gasoline station, Day. Gasoline station talaga. And then, kailangan namin magpatubig, Day. Oh, kailangan namin maggasolina, Day. So, kailangan namin i-on yung aming easy today, Day. Kasi nga, talaga siya, Day. Medyo mainit talaga siya. Pero, I'm not... What? Yung asawa ko na kumakatok yung asawa ko. Nagbigay lang ng ATM card. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. And may nag-comment pala sa ating one of our video. Sabi niya, wag daw ako parating magsabi ng die. I will try my best na hindi ako magsasabi ng parati ng die. Kasi ako, I'm trying to kausapin kayo through virtual. Kasi nga, nandito nga tayo sa Jumerica, Day. So, I'm trying na kausapin kayo. So, hindi talaga maiiwasan na makapagsalita ako ng maraming die. Diba? And then I'm Bisaya from Davao City, and one of our favorite place with my husband is Cebu also, kasi dyan kami nag-first meet ng Diyosawa ko mga Inday. Yun nga. sorry. So I will try na hindi ako magsasalita ng masyadong marami na Inday. I will try at ilalagay ko sa utak ko. Ano ko?
How about the whole family?
Oh yeah, I wish we are.
I get more pleasure from giving than receiving.
Sabi ng asawa ko, Day, I wish that we are rich para makatulong pa kami more sa aming mga pamilya. And then yun day, nakita nyo diba sa last video namin, pinag-grocery namin yung mother-in-law ko. And then tinutulungan din namin kaunti yung sister ng ng asawa ko. And then yung pamilya din namin sa Pilipinas. So that's why we are wishing we are more rich. Because yung puso talaga namin dahil may puso talaga kami na tumutulong, helping, especially sa pamilya dahil. But sometimes mga inday, yung pera namin wala.
Turn it off.
Hi mga inday. Mga inday, iwan ko kung malilinis pa namin yung buong yard namin ngayon day. Kasi tumawag yung biyanan ko mga inday. Kailangan niya ng tulong. Kaya ngayon, kailangan namin puntahan mga inday. So, family first. Alam naman natin yan. Lalo na tayong mga Pilipino mga inday, family first. So, yun, we are trying day. We are trying our best na makatulong. We are trying, but sometimes day hindi kami makatulong. So, kung mayroon kami day, of course, we are happy na makatulong sa pamilya. Kung wala day, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi natin mapipilit. But, this moment day, may kaunti kaming pera na natira. Pagkatapos namin tinulungan yung buong pamilya namin sa Pilipinas at saka dito sa Amerika. So, kaya natin to. God can see our heart, and that's all I know, and I believe He will bless us more if we have a heart to give, to help. Yan lang yung masasabi ko mga inday. So, nandito tayo sa bahay. Nilagay na ng jusawa ko yung gas na nabili namin sa gas station kanina. And then yung battery dye. Alam nyo ba yung battery dye magkano? Dalawa yung binili namin para sa weed whacker. Dalawa yung battery without charger dye kasi may charger na yung asawa ko dyan, yung old niya. And then so ngayon, ang nabayad namin dahil it's almost $500. It's like 54 something. 29, yeah, 58. So it's like $458 yung nabayaran namin. So shall we say like 22 to 23,000 mga inday. Yung battery lang dahil dalawa. But it's okay lang dahil kasi nga yan yung brand niya dahil is pangmatagalan na siya mga inday. So kaya okay lang talaga na mag-invest sa mga tools kasi dito dahil bawal talaga dahil na yung backyard mo. Kasi yung mga neighbor mo titingnan yung backyard mo or yung yard mo mga inday. So kailangan mo talaga linisan yung yard mo dahil. And then kapag hindi mo, yes. What happened? What is that, love?
That's the thing that makes it come on screen.
I see. Nice. So dumating na yung light na in-order ng jusawa ko dahil para sa sasakyan, para dito sa sasakyan. Nakalimutan ko. What? That's Fuji shoes?
Yeah, most Fuji orders more online than people, I think.
Sapatos ni Fuji.
Shoes and then our...
That is what he said, love. He ordered shoes. Yung anak ko na panganay nag-order ng sapatos para sa kanyang work shoes. So nag-order siya. Yan yung sinabi niya sa akin kanina na nag-order ako mother ng sapatos. Oh, that's good, sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi nga siya naman yung hard working guys. So that is investment also sa trabaho niya mga inday. Anak, what do you want? Mama. Yes, anak. What do you want? Mama. Yes, anak. Mama love you. Mama. Yes. Mga inday, nandito na kami sa apartment na mother-in-law ko mga inday. Nandyan yung asawa ko doon. Pumasok na yung asawa ko day. And then kami ni Bibi Kano nandito lang sa sasakyan kasi ano lang i-drop off ng asawa ko yung pinabili ng mother-in-law ko day. And then binigyan niya din ng pera day yung mother-in-law ko. Day gutom ako day kaya ganito ako. Gusto kong kumain. Ang oras dito sa amin, ano bang oras? Where is the time? It's 3 o'clock na mga inday. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:24. And then yung weather natin day is 80 na talaga day. Parang Pilipinas na talaga. So ngayon day hihintayin na lang. Yun nga, wag mag-inday-inday parati. Tandaan mo. So ngayon naghihintay ka na lang kami na dumating, babalik na yung asawa ko dito. And then si Bibi Kano day tulog yun nga, inday na naman. Si Bibi Kano tulog na. So hihintayin na lang namin yung papa ni Bibi Kano. Day, kanina pa kami nandito sa bahay, day. Pero, day, nagtatrabaho kami sa yard namin today, day. Nandyan yung asawa ko, day. Nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko. Ah! Ay! And then, day, my love! Hi! Yung bata natin, day, sobrang cute, oh. Tinitingnan niya yung papa niya, day. Hi, bata! Hello! Hello! Bata! Yung papa, nandyan yung papa niya, day. And then, tapos na kami dito, mga inday, dito sa harapan ng bahay. Tapos na yung asawa ko dyan, day. Na weed whacker na namin. So ito yung harapan ng bahay, day. And then yan, tapos na. And then doon sa gilid, tapos na din dito sa gilid, mga inday. Dito, tapos na dito sa gilid. Diyan. And then dito, day. Tapos na din dyan, day. Hanggang doon sa dulo, tapos na din. So dito na kami sa kabila, day. Nagtatrabaho, mga inday. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko, day. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko. Kasi parang may dugo na siya, day. Malapit na siyang nag-open. Open. And then ayaw kong masugatan talaga kasi tayong mga ina, diba, naghuhugas, naglilinis ng bahay. And then mahirap kapag may sugat ka sa kamay. So I'm trying na hindi talaga siya magsusugat. Nandiyan yung asawa ko, day. So yung anak ko, day, nandoon sa kabila, yung anak ko, day, sa kabilang yard. Nag-weed whacker sa mga sa paligid ng puno, day. Nag-weed whacker sa paligid ng puno. At pupuntahan natin, mga inday. Nandito yung anak ko, day. Nandyan yung anak ko, day, oh. Medyo mahirap siya, day, kasi nasa talaga, kailangan mong dumuko. Nandyan yung anak ko. Kasi hindi kasi yan maaabot ng day, lawn mower, day. Kaya kailangan mong linisan na ganyan. Oh, nandyan yung anak ko, day. Huwag tayong magsubra ang lapit, day, kasi nga is yun. Nandyan yung anak ko. maganda yung bulak niya, day. Oh, violet. Violet yung ano na bulak. Diba? Maganda. Anak ko nandito na sa gilid. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, tay. Hindi. Nanak! Koji! You are in the video. Halaka, ni gamay na.
Ako man, di ko, baratan na.
Lalo na nampando. Kaya na mag-ilis og bago.
Pag ba nasa,
Mubo na kayo na dito. Naman daghan. Nato daghan. Isa karulyo.
Ay, ba na.
Pwede pa na. Oh, i-try. Tanahan to dito sa dulo. Hasa sa man kadali lang. Hala, there is a rabbit, nak. Puje, there is a rabbit. Nidagan. Hello. Nandito tayo sa pinakamalapit na park sa amin dito, day. So, it's been like 50 minutes na akong nag-walking. So, nandito tayo nag-walk. Nilibot ko, day. And then ngayon, ano tayo? Pauwi na tayo sa bahay, mga inday. Nakakapagod, but this is good. This is a good, for your health. For your blood, what we call that. Yung blood mo, diba? Yung circulation ng blood mo, mga inday. So, this is good for me. Kasi, maganda na yung weather namin dito sa Michigan. Kaya, nakapaglakad tayo today, mga inday. May park dyan. May mga slides. May mga bata. Mga family. Sunday kasi. So, maraming walang mga pasok sa trabaho. So, it's something like family time. Sorry. Ay, hinihingal na ako. Pero okay lang yan. May langgam. Lumipad na. Doon yung langgam. Ay, lumipad na. So, ito yung view natin, day. Maganda na yung view natin. Summer na. Dito sa amin. Kaya ganito.